This is a brand new 2014 Kia Sorento. This crossover has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a V6, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, heated seats, speed-sensitive volume controls, an audio media storage unit, a multi-link rear suspension, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, steering wheel mounted controls, a 6-speaker audio system, front and rear floor mats, rear seat child-proof door locks, an auto-dimming rear view mirror, external temperature display, a keyless entry system, and an auxiliary power outlet. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.